minutes ago. It's showing, it looks like it's in the backyard of Apple Rock. So it's going to be right there, kind of near Alamance, Green Tea, in the Hutto. That very south end of Apple Rock is where it looks like the locations he sensors at. But like I said, about 3 minutes ago. Well, let's get the perimeter set, and we'll go before they came out. Made somebody on Hutto. Well, let's get another one towards the country club subdivision. Somewhere, I think you got that one. I need one more to the west of Apple Rock.
GPS that location, Ken. I don't know if this is the guy that she's talking to.
It's the front driveway now. Unit, things are close to your right. Things are close to your right in the driveway. Those units that are at their unit, that's crouched down behind the driver's side. They're going to be on the right side of that house, kind of moving towards you guys. Behind an AC unit, they can probably hear you or see you coming on that side, so hold what you got. The other units on the left side of the property, go ahead and move in. Units are making contact at gunpoint. Watch your crossfire. Suspects, hands in the air on their knees. Subjects in custody. 22 DPS.
In this press release from Lieutenant Steve Dorsch with the Baytown Police Department, on April 3rd at 3:14 a.m., officers were dispatched to the 4200 block of Apple Rock in reference to a report of a suspicious person who was reported to be walking around the neighborhood checking door handles on vehicles. Once in the area, officers located a vehicle which was parked in the area with lights off. Officers contacted the driver of the vehicle, a female, who advised she was in the area because she had dropped her boyfriend and his friends off in the area, but was unable to give a logical explanation why. Upon further investigation, it was determined that the boyfriend and his friends were actually in the area committing car burglaries, while the female was waiting to pick them up. Officers established a perimeter around the area, and with the help of Department of Public Safety Air Support, officers located the 3 male suspects hiding in the area, one of which was found to be in possession of a handgun, which was reported stolen out of Florida. All 4 suspects were transported to the Baytown jail as officers and detectives continued the investigation. Those suspects are identified as 22-year-old Javon Leith, 19-year-old Kashawn Ivory, and 19-year-old Ronald Lyons. As a result of the investigation, the male suspects were all charged through the Harris County District Attorney's Office with engaging in organized crime with firearm. The female driver of the car was released without charges.
Good copy, both in custody. Do we know if there's any more outstanding?
Well, we talked 2 earlier before you guys got out. EPS, you the real MVP.